Hello everyone. আশা কৰো আপোনালোকে সকলে ভালে আছে. I have just made a submission before the special POCSO just knockout. Where today the second day the case diary is not received. So I met my submission from the beginning. This particular case, the case diary may not necessary because whenever there is a procedural gaps is there, whenever ground of arrest is not given, when Article 21 close bracket on Constitution of India, Article 21 close bracket 5 is not fulfilled, and section 47 and 48 of BNSS is not fulfilled. Whenever there is a constitutional rights are violated, statutory rights are violated, the Lordship may not need the case diary. So I make my submission entirely on procedural lapse. I have given 4 judgment: Bihan Constitute of Haryana, Mihir Ras, then Pankaj Bansal. So I thought in the category of judgment, Honorable Supreme Court clarified that whenever there is a procedural lapse is there, it is the Lordship bound in duty to protect my life and liberty. Liberty is sacrosanct and paramount. My ladyship, I am languishing in jail without giving me my constitutional right and fundamental right fulfilled by this investigating authority. Then the judge said that yeah, I do agree there is a procedural gaps is there, procedural lapse is there. He 2-3 times said it. Then I said that my ladyship, I will not be able to come again. So when the case diary will come, so may make my submission on facts also. Then I make my entire submission on facts also. So basically, that just at the end of the day said that you made out a prima facie case house is there. So I says that procedural lapse is there. The whenever the case diary will reveal, yeah, the POCSO case is involved, the rape is involved here. So I said that the FIR is the version of the victim and it's not a gospel truth. Whatever the victim stated in the FIR, that must be supported by medical report, medical examination. So whenever the medical report will come, it will unearth the whole truth. It will reveal the whole truth. So on that basis, I make my submission. Procedural gaps is there, and I given the judgment that whenever there is a love affair between the victim and the accused, and that time there is nothing serious, nothing deep happen. Only they casually met. Right now, father intimidating the girls, influencing the girl to make a statement before the investigation authority against the accused. Your lordship will need to come out and seriously investigate the matter. In the procedural gaps is there, and the medical report is not there. So on that basis, I make my submission. So I hope tomorrow we'll get bail. How do you happen, sisters, brothers?
For sure.
And the interpretation is made by my friend Bikram Vishal and Momin, and the judgment they have find out from the Google, and they've done excellent job. Today my health is not good. In spite of that, they have cooperated through thick and thin, and I'm really grateful to my brothers, and they've done excellent job. Without them, this argument, this judgment, this petition would not have been complete. So we are all grateful to one each other. I'm grateful to them, they are grateful to me. That's all. Bye everyone.